Ever feel like your bonsai is slowly drowning, but no one told you? You're watering, you're caring, you're trying. But then bam, yellow leaves, mushy roots, a sad, soggy tree that looks like it's emotionally checked out. Let's fix that. Today we're going over the 5 signs your bonsai is getting too much water, and more importantly, how to bring it back from the edge. Whether you've got a Chinese elm, a juniper, or a ficus with trust issues, this stuff matters. Let me know if you are guilty of number 5. This channel's slowly turning into a little bonsai garden of its own. If you want to help shape it, the subscribe button's just over there. You'd be part of the growers getting better each day that clicked it, the elite club. Alright, first red flag? Well, yellow flag. Leaves turning yellow and falling off without drama. No crispy edges. No drama. Just flop. That's your tree telling you, hey, I can't breathe down here. Next up, root rot. Now you won't see this right away, but if your tree feels loose in the pot or smells kind of like wet socks, that's bacteria having a pool party. Roots need air. Waterlogged soil becomes a swamp, and bonsai don't thrive in swamps, unless they're swamp cypress, which yours probably isn't. Next week I'm looking at what fertilizer you should be using if you want to see the results. Hit that subscribe button. I've also got a repotting rescue mission coming up from a community member, plus a few unpopular opinions on moss. You've been warned. Third sign, the soil's always damp. Like you poke it and it squishes. It never gets that dry, crumbly texture. This is when your tree starts thinking it's a houseplant in a bathroom. It's not. Most bonsai need that dry wet cycle. It's how roots grow strong and oxygen stays in the game. Number 4, funky fuzz, white mold, green slime, a strange biofilm that looks like it wants to speak. Fungus loves wet, stagnant places. If your soil looks like it belongs in a sci-fi lab, it's time to cut back on the watering. Overwatering doesn't always mean too much water at once. It usually means watering too often. Even small amounts every day can ruin a tree that wants time to dry out. So yeah, it's less stop watering and more water smarter. Final sign, weird, stretchy growth. Branches that grow too fast. Thin, pale shoots. It's like the tree's trying to escape. Overwatered bonsai get lazy. Roots don't search. Trunks don't thicken. It's like feeding a teenager ice cream for dinner. It shows. Okay, so what now? Here's the fix. 1. Let the soil dry out. Completely. Use the finger test. Poke down an inch. Still damp? Wait. 2. Check your pot. Make sure it has good drainage holes. If not, you've got a bathtub, not a bonsai pot. 3. Use fast-draining soil, akadama, pumice, lava rock. No dense, soggy potting mix from the garden center. 4. Water deeply, but only when it needs it. When the soil's dry, not just the surface, but inside. I actually think more beginner bonsai die from love than neglect. What do you think? Is overwatering the #1 bonsai killer? Let me know in the comments, especially if you've lost one. We've all been there. If your bonsai's struggling, it doesn't mean you're a bad tree parent. You're learning. And your tree is too. Every mushy root, every yellow leaf, that's information. That's progress. Adjust. Try again. Water with purpose. Because that's how you go from guesswork to green thumb to bonsai shaman status. And trust me, once you find the rhythm, it feels right. You and your tree will know. Subscribe for more chilled-out chaos, quiet tips, and tree therapy. And if your tree is still alive, virtual high fives from the bonsai barn. If you've stuck around this far, we're a fan of yours too, and we are sending 2 good vibes bonus points that your trees will soak up and be the best bonsai it can be. See you next time.